Welcome to the Tamil Nadu General Knowledge Quiz. Get ready to test your knowledge of Tamil Nadu. Let us begin the quiz. First question. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Answer choices: Coimbatore, Chennai, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli. And the correct answer is Chennai. Chennai is the capital and largest city of Tamil Nadu. Answer this next question. What is the official language of Tamil Nadu? Choose the correct answer from these options: Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada. The answer is Tamil. Tamil is the official language of Tamil Nadu. Let us move to the next question. On which date is Tamil Nadu Day celebrated? Your options are the 18th of July, the 1st of November, the 15th of August, the 26th of January. And the correct answer is the 18th of July. Tamil Nadu Day is celebrated every year on the 18th of July. Now for the next question. What is the total geographical area of Tamil Nadu? Answer choices: 110,058 square kilometers, 120,058 square kilometers, 140,058 square kilometers, 130,058 square kilometers. And the correct answer is 130,058 square kilometers. Tamil Nadu covers an area of about 130,058 square kilometers. How many districts are there in Tamil Nadu? 35, 38, 40, 42. 38. Tamil Nadu has 38 districts. Here is the next question. Which is the state animal of Tamil Nadu? Your options are Indian elephant, black buck, Nilgiri tahar, lion-tailed macaque. The correct answer is Nilgiri tahar. The Nilgiri tahr is the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Which is the state bird of Tamil Nadu? Emerald dove, Indian roller, peacock, hornbill. Emerald dove. The emerald dove is the state bird of Tamil Nadu. Which is the state flower of Tamil Nadu? Lotus, jasmine, hibiscus, gloriosa lily. Gloriosa lily. Gloriosa lily, also called flame lily, is the state flower of Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which is the state tree of Tamil Nadu? Your options are Neem, Palmyra, Banyan, Sandalwood. The correct answer is Palmyra. The Palmyra palm is the state tree of Tamil Nadu. Now for the next question. Which is the state fruit of Tamil Nadu? Choose the correct answer from these options: mango, banana, jackfruit, guava. The answer is jackfruit. Jackfruit is the state fruit of Tamil Nadu. Which is the state butterfly of Tamil Nadu? Tamil yeoman, southern birdwing, blue mormon, common Jezebel. Tamil yeoman. The Tamil yeoman is the state butterfly of Tamil Nadu. Which temple tower is represented on the state emblem of Tamil Nadu? Meenakshi Temple Tower, Brihadiswara Temple Tower, Ramanathaswamy Temple Tower, Srivilliputur Andal Temple Tower. Srivilliputur Andal Temple Tower. The tower of Srivilliputur Andal Temple is represented on Tamil Nadu's state emblem. What is the state song of Tamil Nadu called? Tamil Thai Vasthu, Vande Mataram, Jana Gana Mana, Semmujiyana Tamil Mojiyam. Tamil Thai Vasthu. Tamil Thai Vasthu is the official state song of Tamil Nadu. Who wrote Tamil Thai Vasthu? Subramania Bharti. Bhartidasan, Manunmeniam Sundaranar, Kavamani Desigavinayagam Pillai. Manunmeniam Sundaranar. Tamil Thai Vasthu was written by Manunmeniam Sundaranar. Tamil became the first Indian language to receive which recognition in 2004? National language status, classical language status, World Heritage status, official UN language status. Classical language status. Tamil was the first Indian language recognized as a classical language by the Government of India. Let us move to the next question. Which water body lies to the east of Tamil Nadu? Options: Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Red Sea. The correct answer is Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal lies along the eastern coast of Tamil Nadu. Now for the next question. Which place is the southernmost tip of mainland India? Your options are Rameshwaram, Toothukudi, Nagapattinam, Kanyakumari. And the correct answer is Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is located at the southernmost tip of mainland India. Which group correctly lists the states bordering Tamil Nadu? Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Kerala, Goa and Telangana. Karnataka, Maharashtra and Orissa. Andhra Pradesh, Orissa and Kerala. Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Tamil Nadu shares land borders with Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Which is the highest peak in Tamil Nadu? Anamudi, Dodabetta, Mullayanagiri, Agasthyamlai. Dodabetta. Dodabetta is the highest peak in Tamil Nadu. Question number 20. In which district is Dodabetta located? Options: Coimbatore, Dindigul, the Nilgiris, Salem. The answer is the Nilgiris. Dodabetta is located near Ooty in the Nilgiris district. The Nilgiri Hills are located near the meeting point of which two mountain systems? Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Aravalli and Vindhya Ranges. Satpura and Vindhya Ranges. Himalaya and Karakoram Ranges. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. The Nilgiri Hills are located near the meeting point of the Western and Eastern Ghats. Which river creates the fertile delta around Thanjavur? Vagai, Pala, Tamiraparani, Kaveri. Kaveri. The Kaveri River creates the fertile delta around Thanjavur. Which district is popularly called the Rice Bowl of Tamil Nadu? Thanjavur, Salem, Vellore, Virudunagar. Thanjavur. Thanjavur is popularly called the Rice Bowl of Tamil Nadu. Mettur Dam is built across which river? Vagai, Kaveri, Pala, Bhavani. Kaveri. Mettur Dam is built across the Kaveri River. Next question. In which district is Mettur Dam located? Options: Erode, Dharmapuri, Salem, Namakkal. The correct answer is Salem. Mettur Dam is located in Salem district. Bhavanisagar Dam is built across which river? Bhavani, Amravati, Noyal, Vagai. Bhavani. Bhavanisagar Dam is built across the Bhavani River. Vagai Dam is built across which river? Kaveri, Pala, Tamiraparani, Vagai. Vagai. Vagai Dam is built across the Vagai River. Answer this next question. In which district is Vagai Dam located? Answer choices: Madurai, Theni, Shivaganga, Dindigul. And the correct answer is Theni. Vagai Dam is located in Theni district. Here is the next question. Sartana Dam is built across which river? Options: Thenpennai, Velar, Pala, Vagai. The correct answer is Thenpennai. Sartana Dam is built across the Thenpennai river. Pechipare Dam is located in which district? Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi, Kanyakumari, Tenkasi. Kanyakumari. Pechipare Dam is located in Kanyakumari district. Next question. Aliyar Dam is located near which town? Your options are Mettur, Pollachi, Kumbakonam, Rameshwaram. The correct answer is Pollachi. Aliyar Dam is located near Pollachi in Coimbatore district. Here is the next question. The ancient Kallanai Dam is built across which river? Choose the correct answer from these options. Vagai, Pala, Bhavani, Kaveri. The correct answer is Kaveri. Kallanai, also called the Grand Anicut, is built across the Kaveri river. Hogenakkal Falls is formed by which river? Kaveri, Vagai, Pala, Tamiraparani. Kaveri. Hogenakkal Falls is formed by the Kaveri river. In which district is Hogenakkal Falls located? Salem, Krishnagiri, Dharmapuri, Erode. Dharmapuri. Hogenakkal Falls is located in Dharmapuri district. Question number 35. Kottalam waterfalls are located in which district? Options: Tirunelveli, Tenkasi, Theni, Dindigul. And the correct answer is Tenkasi. Kottalam waterfalls are located in Tenkasi district. Surali Falls is located in which district? Theni, Madurai, Virudunagar, Shivaganga. Theni. Surali Falls is located in Theni district. Here is the next question. Thirparappu Falls is located in which district? Options: Tenkasi, Tirunelveli, Thoothukudi, Kanyakumari. The correct answer is Kanyakumari. Thirparappu Falls is located in Kanyakumari district. Next question. Silver Cascade Falls is located near which hill station? Options: Ooty, Kodaikanal, Yercaud, Yelagiri. The correct answer is Kodaikanal. Silver Cascade Falls is located near Kodaikanal. Ooty is located in which district? The Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Salem, Dindigul. The Nilgiris, Ooty, officially Udhagmandalam, is located in the Nilgiris district. Kodaikanal is located in which district? Theni, Madurai, Dindigul, Salem. Dindigul. Kodaikanal is located in Dindigul district. Yercaud is located in which district? Namakkal, Salem, Erode, Dharmapuri. Salem. Yercaud is a hill station in Salem district. Yelagiri Hills are located in which district? Tirupathur, Vellore, Ranipet, Krishnagiri. Tirupathur. Yelagiri Hills are located in Tirupathur district. Question number 43. Kolli Hills are located in which district? Options: Salem, Erode, Karur, Namakkal. The answer is Namakkal. Kolli Hills are located in Namakkal district. Valpari Hill Station is located in which district? The Nilgiris, Tirupur, Coimbatore, Erode. Coimbatore. Valpari is located in Coimbatore district. Answer this next question. How many national parks are there in Tamil Nadu? Here are the options. 3, 5, 7, 9. The correct answer is 5. Tamil Nadu has 5 notified national parks. Here is the next question. Gindi National Park is located in which city? Choose the correct answer from these options. Chennai, Madurai, Coimbatore, Salem. The answer is Chennai. Gindi National Park is located in Chennai. Mudumalai National Park is located in which district? Coimbatore, Erode, the Nilgiris, Salem. The Nilgiris. Mudumalai National Park is located in the Nilgiris district. Mukurthi National Park is located in which district? Dindigul, the Nilgiris, Theni, Tenkasi. The Nilgiris. Mukurthi National Park is located in the Nilgiris district. Answer this next question. Indira Gandhi National Park is mainly located in which district? Answer choices. Erode, Tirupur, the Nilgiris, Coimbatore. The correct answer is Coimbatore. Indira Gandhi National Park is mainly located in Coimbatore district. What type of national park is the Gulf of Mannar National Park? Marine National Park, Desert National Park, Mountain National Park, Grassland National Park. Marine National Park. Gulf of Mannar is a marine national park along the southeastern coast of Tamil Nadu. Here is the next question. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is located in which district? Your options are Kanchipuram, Chengalpattu, Tiruvallur, Viluppuram. The answer is Chengalpattu. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is located in Chengalpattu district. Point Kalimia Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary is located in which district? Ramanathapuram, Tiruvarur, Nagapattanam, Kadalo. Nagapattanam. Point Kalimia Sanctuary is located in Nagapattanam district. Arignar Anna Zoological Park is located at which place? Vandalur, Gindi, Tambaram, Mahabalipuram. Vandalur. Arignar Anna Zoological Park is located at Vandalur near Chennai. Now for the next question. How many tiger reserves are there in Tamil Nadu? Options 3, 4, 6, 5. The correct answer is 5. Tamil Nadu has 5 tiger reserves. Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve is mainly located in which district? Coimbatore, Erode, Salem, Dharmapuri. Erode. Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve is mainly located in Erode district. Kalakad Mundantharai Tiger Reserve is mainly spread across which districts? Tirunelveli and Tenkasi, Salem and Namakkal, Erode and Coimbatore, Theni and Dindigul. Tirunelveli and Tenkasi. Kalakad Mundantharai Tiger Reserve is mainly spread across Tirunelveli and Tenkasi districts. Which classical dance form is strongly associated with Tamil Nadu? Kathak, Manipuri, Bharatanatyam, Satriya. Bharatnatyam. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance form strongly associated with Tamil Nadu. Now for the next question. Which is the major harvest festival of Tamil Nadu? Choose the correct answer from these options. Onam, Pongal, Bihu, Holi. The correct answer is Pongal. Pongal is the major harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Answer this next question. What is Jallikattu? Answer choices. A boat race. A classical dance. A harvest song. A traditional bull taming sport. The correct answer is a traditional bull taming sport. Jallikattu is a traditional bull taming sport of Tamil Nadu. Alanganallur is famous for which event? Jallikattu. Boat race. Flower show. Music festival. Jallikattu. Alanganallur near Madurai is famous for Jallikattu. Kartigai Deepam is especially famous in which city? Chidambaram. Kumbakonam. Tiruvannamalai. Rameshwaram. Tiruvannamalai. The Kartigai Deepam festival is especially famous in Tiruvannamalai. The Chithirai festival is famously celebrated in which city? Thanjavur. Madurai. Chennai. Salem. Madurai. The Chithirai festival is famously celebrated in Madurai. Next question. The Natyanjali dance festival is associated with which place? Here are the options. Chidambaram. Kanchipuram. Palani. Velankani. The correct answer is Chidambaram. The Natyanjali dance festival is held at Chidambaram. Question number 64. The Mahamaham festival is celebrated in which town? Here are the options. Srirangam. Rameshwaram. Tiruvannamalai. Kumbakonam. The correct answer is Kumbakonam. The Mahamaham festival is celebrated in Kumbakonam. Kanchipuram is especially famous for which product? Wooden toys. Silk saris. Bronze lamps. Leather shoes. Silk saris. Kanchipuram is famous for its traditional silk saris. Let us move to the next question. Sungudi saris are associated with which city? Choose the correct answer from these options. Madurai. Salem. Erode. Tirupur. The correct answer is Madurai. Sungudi saris are a traditional textile product of Madurai. Which city is famous for traditional paintings named after it? Coimbatore. Vellore. Thanjavur. Karur. Thanjavur. Thanjavur is famous for traditional Thanjavur paintings. Swamimalai is famous for making which handicraft? Wooden toys. Palm leaf baskets. Stone bangles. Bronze icons. Bronze icons. Swamimalai is famous for its traditional bronze icons. Question number 69. Pattamadai is famous for which product? Choose the correct answer from these options. Silk carpets. Hand-woven mats. Wooden dolls. Metal lamps. And the correct answer is hand-woven mats. Pattamadai in Tirunelveli district is famous for hand-woven mats. Here is the next question. Dindigul is especially famous for which product? Choose the correct answer from these options. Locks. Tea. Pearls. Paper. And the correct answer is locks. Dindigul is especially famous for its locks. Coimbatore is famous for the manufacture of which kitchen appliance? Pressure cookers. Gas stoves. Wet grinders. Refrigerators. Wet grinders. Coimbatore is well known for manufacturing wet grinders. Answer this next question. Erode is especially famous for which agricultural product? Here are the options. Coffee. Turmeric. Apple. Saffron. And the correct answer is turmeric. Erode is especially famous for turmeric production and trade. Question number 73. Tirupur is best known for which industry? Here are the options. Shipbuilding. Tea processing. Paper making. Knitwear. The answer is knitwear. Tirupur is a major center of the knitwear industry. Sivakasi is famous for which industries? Fireworks and printing, tea and coffee, shipbuilding and fishing, silk and carpets. Fireworks and printing. Sivakasi is famous for its fireworks and printing industries. Neyveli is famous for deposits of which mineral? Iron ore, gold, lignite, copper. Lignite. Neyveli in Cuddalore district is famous for lignite deposits. Here is the next question. Which city is popularly called the Manchester of South India? Your options are Madurai, Coimbatore, Chennai, Salem. And the correct answer is Coimbatore. Coimbatore is popularly called the Manchester of South India because of its textile industry. Which city is commonly called the temple city of Tamil Nadu? Madurai, Erode, Tirupur, Hosur. Madurai. Madurai is commonly called the temple city of Tamil Nadu. Answer this next question. Which hill station is popularly called the Queen of Hill Stations? Here are the options. Yercaud, Yelagiri, Kodaikanal, Ooty. The correct answer is Ooty. Ooty is popularly called the Queen of Hill Stations. Next question. Marina Beach is located in which city? Here are the options. Kanyakumari, Chennai, Thoothukudi, Nagapattinam. The correct answer is Chennai. Marina Beach is located in Chennai. Question number 80. Marina Beach lies along which water body? Choose the correct answer from these options. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Kutch. And the correct answer is Bay of Bengal. Marina Beach lies along the Bay of Bengal. Here is the next question. Kanyakumari is famous for the meeting of which three water bodies? Your options are Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. Arabian Sea, Red Sea and Indian Ocean. Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea and Arabian Sea. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Arabian Sea. The correct answer is Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. The Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean meet near Kanyakumari. Vivekanand Rock Memorial is located at which place? Rameshwaram, Mamallapuram, Chennai, Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari. Vivekanand Rock Memorial is located off the coast of Kanyakumari. The Meenakshi Amman Temple is located in which city? Madurai, Thanjavur, Chidambaram, Kanchipuram. Madurai. The Meenakshi Amman Temple is located in Madurai. The Brihadiswara Temple is located in which city? Kumbakonam, Thanjavur, Tiruchirappalli, Madurai. Thanjavur. The Brihadiswara Temple is located in Thanjavur. Now for the next question. The Shore Temple is located at which place? Answer choices. Rameshwaram, Pumpua, Mamallapuram, Nagapattinam. The correct answer is Mamallapuram. The Shore Temple is located at Mamallapuram. Mamallapuram is located in which district? Kanchipuram, Chennai, Tiruvallur, Chengalpattu. Chengalpattu. Mamallapuram is located in Chengalpattu district. The Ramanathaswamy Temple is located at which place? Rameshwaram, Palani, Srirangam, Chidambaram. Rameshwaram. The Ramanathaswamy Temple is located at Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram is located in which district? Thoothukudi, Ramanathapuram, Shivaganga, Nagapattinam. Ramanathapuram. Rameshwaram is located in Ramanathapuram district. Answer this next question. The famous Ranganatha Swami temple at Srirangam is located in which district? Options: Thanjavur, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Karur. The correct answer is Tiruchirappalli. Srirangam is located in Tiruchirappalli district. Next question. The Nataraj temple at Chidambaram is located in which district? Answer choices: Kadalo, Mayiladuthurai, Tiruvarur, Viluppuram. The correct answer is Kadalo. Chidambaram Nataraj temple is located in Kadalo district. Let us move to the next question. The famous Palani Murugan temple is located in which district? Options: Theni, Dindigul, Madurai, Virudunagar. The correct answer is Dindigul. Palani Murugan temple is located in Dindigul district. Question number 92. Velankani is located in which district? Your options are Kadalo, Ramanathapuram, Nagapattanam, Thoothukudi. And the correct answer is Nagapattanam. Velankani is located in Nagapattanam district. Let us move to the next question. Which group correctly lists the three great living Chola temples? Your options are Meenakshi, Ramanatha Swami and Nataraj temples. Shore temple, Kalasanatha temple and Ikambareshwara temple. Palani, Srirangam and Tiruvannamalai temples. Brihadiswara, Gangaikondacholapuram and Airavateshwar temples. The correct answer is Brihadiswara, Gangaikondacholapuram and Airavateshwar temples. The great living Chola temples are Brihadiswara, Gangaikondacholapuram and Airavateshwar temples. Question number 94. Which railway is popularly called the toy train of Tamil Nadu? Here are the options: Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Chennai MRTS, Madurai Metro, Pamban Railway. The correct answer is Nilgiri Mountain Railway. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway is popularly called the toy train. Answer this next question. Pamban Bridge connects the mainland with which island? Options: Sriharikota Island, Rameshwaram Island, Diu Island, Majuli Island. The correct answer is Rameshwaram Island. Pamban Bridge connects mainland Tamil Nadu with Rameshwaram Island. Fort St. George is located in which city? Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Chennai, Vellore. Chennai. Fort St. George is located in Chennai. Answer this next question. Where is the principal seat of the Madras High Court located? Choose the correct answer from these options: Coimbatore, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Chennai. And the correct answer is Chennai. The principal seat of the Madras High Court is located in Chennai. Next question. What type of legislature does Tamil Nadu have? Choose the correct answer from these options: unicameral, bicameral, tricameral, no legislature. The correct answer is unicameral. Tamil Nadu has a unicameral legislature with a legislative assembly. Here is the next question. Which group correctly lists Tamil Nadu's three major ports? Options: Chennai, Kochi and Mormugao. Chennai, Kamarajar and V.O. Chidambarnar. Kamarajar, Paradeep and Vishakhapatnam. Thoothukudi, Kochi and New Mangalore. The correct answer is Chennai, Kamarajar and V.O. Chidambarnar. Tamil Nadu's three major ports are Chennai, Kamarajar and V.O. Chidambarnar ports. Let us move to the next question. V.O. Chidambarnar port is located in which city? Answer choices: Chennai, Nagapattanam, Thoothukudi, Kadalo. And the correct answer is Thoothukudi. VO Chidambarnar Port is located in Thoothukudi.